القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
In this video we'll be doing another surah of the Quran, surah number 53. This is just the first part of the surah, and as you can see they all end with alif maqsura. So because of this we will be practicing how to end on alif maqsura along with all of the other rules that you have learnt of joining. Now you may find some things that you haven't learned properly, but I will be reading them. And the way that you need to learn when you're listening to the famous Qur'an on the recordings is you just need to, while you're reading on the Qur'an copy, you need to emulate how they are doing it. So you need to copy what they are doing. So whether they're stretching certain sounds which you haven't learned, you just need to learn to stretch it with them. Later on, inshallah, in level 2, where you do the Tajweed, you will learn a lot of these rules. So right now you know how to connect the words and read the recitation of Arabic, but then in level 2 you will learn the different parts of Tajweed as well. So let's get started. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Just before I continue, it's important to consider that in all other surahs, Bismillah is not part of the surah. It's something which separates two surahs. Now that I've talked in between, if you talk in between the recitation of the Quran, then you have to read Ta'awudh again, which is A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. And if you're talking specifically about the Quran for a very short period of time, then it's fine, you don't have to read it. However, if you've talked for a longer time, for more than maybe 3 sentences, then you still need to read A'udhu Billah again. If you talk about anything else other than the Quran, it doesn't matter if you just said a few words or if you said 3 sentences or more, you still have to read A'udhu Billah. So the exception to not reading reading A'udhu Billah is that only if you talk specifically about the Quran for less than say about 3 sentences, then you're okay to continue without saying A'udhu Billah. Of course here I've said more than 3 sentences. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والنجم إذا هوى والنجم إذا هوى والنجم إذا هوى ما ضل صاحبكم وما غوى ما ضل صاحبكم وما غوى ما ضل صاحبكم وما غوى وما ينطق عن الهوى وما ينطق عن الهوى وما ينطق عن الهوى إن هو إلا وحي يوحى إن هو إلا وحي يوحى إن هو إلا وحي يوحى علمه شديد القوى علمه شديد القوى علمه شديد القوى ذو مرة فاستوى ذو مرة فاستوى ذو مرة فاستوى وهو بالأفق الأعلى وهو بالأفق الأعلى وهو بالأفق الأعلى. Now I will read it together a little bit faster. So inshallah, this is the speed that you can be reading at as well. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والنجم إذا هوى ما ضل صاحبكم وما غوى وما ينطق عن الهوى إن هو إلا وحي الضحى علمه شديد القوى ذو مرة فاستوى وهو بالأفق الأعلى. So that completes the reading practice. You should have done that so you can get used to it. With this is the exercise. It's a short surah that you will go and listen to the Sheikh, the Qurra, and you will practice it yourself, and then you will read it to the teacher, and when the teacher gives you authorization, you can move on to the next lesson.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.